Hi everyone and welcome to Danka Praktik. If you have an above ground pool, here are some tips that should help you keep the pool and the water in top condition. By doing this, you'll be able to enjoy the pool during the whole season with minimal work and effort. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
If you have the time, watch our other videos about how to set up an Intex pool, how to set up the pump, how to clean and fold the canvas, and much more. It's all closely related to this topic, so it's worth the watch. The links for the full videos are in the description. Level and prepare the ground under the pool. First and foremost, when installing the pool, make sure that the ground is leveled. If you don't do this, one side of the pool will always be under strain and the water level will be uneven. Also make sure that there are no sharp rocks or other sharp material under the pool that can puncture the canvas. There are various ways of doing this. For instance, you can level the ground and put concrete pads under the pool. In our case, we already have a pretty flat yard, so we just put a large piece of linoleum over the grass. Check the pool frame. Once you set up the pool, make sure that all the pipes on the frame fit properly into the plastic fittings and that the end caps on the legs are firmly in place. If these are not inserted properly and are flimsy, when the pool is full of water and that water starts making waves, the pool frame can collapse or get damaged. Straighten the canvas. Before filling up the pool, straighten the canvas as much as you can. This will help save the canvas from tears over time, but will also keep filth from gathering within the folds. Change the pump filter regularly. Next, make sure to change the pump filter on a regular basis. If you use the pool frequently and the pump works all the time, it would be good to change the filter every 2 weeks. If you can't do that, then at least clean the filter once a week by just rinsing it under water. Changing the filter on time will both keep the water clean and prolong the lifetime of the pump. Regularly add fresh water. During the pool season, regularly add fresh water to the pool. This will help keep the water healthy and clear. We add water as soon as the level goes down about 20 centimeters. This way, we put less stress on the water supply and keep the pool water fresh. Regularly add chlorine. Make sure to add chlorine to the water regularly, but do it according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Do not use too much chlorine. Chlorine will prevent microorganisms from making the water murky, green, and greasy. Know that if you don't add it, there's pretty much no way to prevent this. You can only replace all of the water multiple times during the season. Skim and brush the pool. You should also skim and brush the pool. Insects, debris, leaves, and other things will inevitably get into the water. If it stays there, it's both unhygienic and is not safe. Best to skim the pool as soon as you see any debris or dead insects. By brushing the pool, you'll keep the pool canvas clean and get out all of the filth that gathers at the bottom and the sides of the pool over time. Use a pool cover. If possible, buy a pool cover. It will be well worth your money. The pool cover keeps debris and filth away, but can also help warm up the water if you keep it on during a sunny day. Do not use sharp items around the pool. Needless to say, avoid using sharp objects in or around the pool. Watch out for any kinds of sharp pool toys, but above all, avoid or be careful when using tools around or near the pool canvas. Screwdrivers, scissors, and especially scalpels can accidentally puncture the canvas and then you have to mend it. Dismantle the pool on time. Finally, when the pool season is over, drain the pool and dismantle it. Of course, this depends on the size of your above-ground pool. If you have a smaller pool like we do, we highly recommend removing it since it will keep the pool in much better condition over time. In our case, it takes about an hour to dismantle it besides the draining. If you're going to keep the pool installed, at least drain it, clean it, and cover it on time when the season is over. The arch enemy of the pool canvas is leftover water that can freeze, stale water that turns into muck and filth, and the dry canvas being exposed to all kinds of weather conditions. In the end, the key to keeping your above-ground pool in good condition is to do things on time. Ignoring maintenance only means more work at the end of the season. by doing things on time, combined with the tips we've shown you, should make your above ground pool last for a long time. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.